On behalf of CII and on my personal behalf, I welcome you all for Summinfra 2001. It is indeed my pleasure to welcome Shri N. Kiran Kumar Reddy Garu, Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, to the session on State Integrated Infrastructure Promotion of Andhra Pradesh. I would like to thank him immensely for taking his time out of his very busy schedule, especially after the programs that he has had out of city yesterday. And he's back in town today, and he assured us when we met him earlier last week that he would certainly try and be here this morning with us, and he has kept up his commitment, and I thank you very much, sir. To address this very important industry gathering and on this important occasion of the Summinfra. I also welcome the other distinguished speakers from the government to this session to enlighten us on many aspects of infrastructure promotion in the state of Andhra Pradesh and the other southern states, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, that have participated yesterday. I would like to congratulate Mr. J.P. Nayak for his team and his team for delivering yet another edition of a interesting and much awaited Summinfra 2011. It is indeed a matter of delight for me to put on record the highly rewarding cooperation between the government of Andhra Pradesh and CII on several initiatives. As you're all aware, and sir, that CII Andhra Pradesh is working on a theme, AP at 2022, with 35 million job creation and employment for accelerating the economic development of the state. Taking a cue from the CII projections, the employment potential in the state, the government of Andhra Pradesh has launched several initiatives, particularly the Rajiv Yuva Kiranalu, for creating 15 lakhs employment opportunities in the coming 3 years. I must point out that the government of Andhra Pradesh has taken many initiatives to strengthen our infrastructure, both physical and social. I must thank and compliment the government of Andhra Pradesh in taking such key initiatives in strengthening the rural infrastructure. At this point of time, I must point out that we have the longest coastlines and have built many world-class ports in our coastlines under the PPP model. In fact, it is a pleasure to share with you all that Andhra Pradesh has showcased few of the very successful PPP models we have here in India. I must thank the government of Andhra Pradesh for being a very strong supporter of the Summinfra program, and this year is coming back to Andhra Pradesh after 4 years. In fact, we will be having the State Integrated Infrastructure Promotion session for Andhra Pradesh after the address of our Honorable CM, where various senior government officials will make presentations on various initiatives and interact with the industry and participants at large. In order to develop quality infrastructure, it has become necessary for attracting the private sector investments in the infrastructure development. The public-private partnership model has emerged as a viable option for funding various infrastructure developmental projects like roads, seaports, airports, etc. In this context, Summinfra 2011 attains importance in addressing the key challenges pertaining to infrastructure development. This session will address the key issues concerning infrastructure development in the state of Andhra Pradesh.